Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and here we have a 2025 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. Very popular boat, great for inside marinas or heading out into the bay, heading over to the sandbar, or just taking a couple of the kids or some friends for a nice leisure cruise. This boat has the light blue hull color, and you'll also see that it has the white rub rail with stainless steel insert option. Very sharp looking boat. We're happy to have it here. Coming up at the bow, we've got our anchor locker storage, tie off here, navigation lights, and we added the bow rail on this boat. You'll see at the helm, we've got storage locker that's insulated, and we've got the dash applique, so a really sharp look on the dash instead of just the plain white. At the bench seat, you've got two cup holders, and you can actually purchase a couple different seating options for this boat. Just to illustrate one of the seats, we've got the sport bucket seat here, extremely comfortable seat. We also added the bimini top here. Coming back, we've got the teak on the swim platforms, and this boat's powered by the Mercury 40 horsepower engine, which is the upgraded engine from Boston Whaler. It's a great layout. It comes with a trailer, so easy to move if you wanted to try out a couple different bodies of water. Awesome platform, and it's here in Westbrook, Connecticut. Come on down and take a look.